Hello friends, welcome back to our channel's Abhinay English Stories. Today I tell you a wonderful story is how to wife cheat husband. So let's start. Years ago in a village named Suraj Farmers with his wife used to live. The farmer was old but his wife was young. This is the reason the wife of the farmer used to remain unhappy. She is always a young man like himself in the mind of wanting to marry. Used to keep woman's mind, got it as a thief that daily started catching the woman. One day he cheated the farmer's wife, considering him a false story heard. The thief said, "My first year the wife left me and went away. Now I am alone. I am at your beauty. I am fascinated and I want to take the city along." The women become happy on hearing this. They instantly say, "Okay, I am your, I will go together. But my husband there is a lot of wealth. First I bring it. I am with those money. We can rest for our life. Will life from." Hearing this, the thief said that, "Okay, you go and come back. I will wait for you to come to the place." When the woman reached home, she saw that the husband was in a deep sleep. Lady all jewelries and cash tied up in the bundles and went to the thief. Farmer seeing his wife come thief was in my mind. Now I am very going to be rich soon. But now to get rid of this woman, have to get an idea. Only then the farmer his wife reached the thief. As soon as he reaches both of the other cities they left. Some walk away later a river was found on the way. River seeing the thief has an idea. "Got it," he said to the woman. "Look the river in deep. I give it you, I will overcome. But first I will you keep me on the other side of the river, boldly take you with me." Woman thief, but he was very confident. He said, "Yes, it would be fine to do that." Again the thief said, "Look, you are heavy are wearing jewelry. This jewel is also you give so that you can cross the river. There should be no obstacle." On hearing this, farmer's wife has all her jewelries, gave it to the thief. Bundle of money and the river thief carrying the woman's jewelry went cross. Lady is waiting to return, but he never returned again he came. Now woman is very sad happened and tears from his eyes flowed. But regret why then it was too late. Taking all his money and jewelry, the thief was gone. So friends, this we learn this from the stories that the fruit of fraud is always bad only occurs. What a person sows only cuts. So where every relationship that goes I should show honesty. So friends, the story ends here. To listen more similar story, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of each of our upcoming videos. First take care and thank you.